Hey, what's up, guys? Today I have three fresh booster packs, fossil, and I'm gonna go ahead and open one up for you guys so you can see on video. I honestly don't know which one to open, so I'm just gonna go with this Aerodactyl packet. Leave these two to the side. I'll probably open them in another video. Untampered with fresh booster pack, so I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping to get a Dragonite out of here, which is probably the best card in the fossil set in my opinion. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm not sure where the holographic falls in this one, or the rare actually. I think it's 3 from the back. 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and see if that's true. And first card is a Nominite. Let's get closer a little bit more. Okay. Second card is a Tentacool. Nice. Third card is an Energy Search. Nice. Fourth card is a Psyduck. Nice. We got a Slowpoke. We got a Geodude. Then we got a Horsey. Followed by, nice, a Gengar holographic. That's awesome. Fresh Gengar. I got these packets off eBay, and I was just hoping they weren't tampered with or weighted or anything like that, so I guess they weren't, so I'm pretty happy about that. Look at this beautiful card. I'll probably get this graded. Centering is pretty good and looks to have no scratches at all. I know some cards fresh out of the booster packs, they come out scratched, so this looks really good. Nice. A Golduck. A Tentacruel. Oh, nice. I actually needed this card for my set, but I ended up selling everything together. And a Graveler. Alright guys, I paid $30 for the 3 packs, so just by getting that Gengar, it was definitely worth it. Take a closer look at it. Look at that. Wow. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next booster pack opening.